What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, it's been so freaking long since I filmed a YouTube video, but I've got a creative kick just flowing through my body, and it's telling me to make YouTube videos again, which is really good because I kind of missed it, not gonna lie. Anyways, today I'm taking you through a day in my life, which today is gonna be very busy. I've got a lot of things I have to get done, a lot of things planned, but of course I start my day out by waking up. I feel like that's always a great way to kick it off. And then I make my bed so I don't have the urge to just get right back into it. And then after that, I brush my teeth because good hygiene. And now I'm getting ready to work out because I like to work out every day for the most part. For the most part, I like to have off days too, don't get me wrong. But yeah, we've got a lot to do. It's like 8:30 right now, so let's get after it because today is jam-packed. Anyways, welcome back. So I just finished up my workout. It kicked my ass, first of all, and now, second of all, I'm going to be making some breakfast. So I'm gonna make myself a matcha latte and then some types of toast. I'm gonna do apple butter and avocado. I'm gonna show you how to make the best freaking avocado toast of your life. It's gonna be great. Delish. Okay, now we're gonna make the best avocado toast of your entire life, or at least that's how I'm advertising it. Obviously you need toast and an avocado. These two, good, as is, classic. You can never go wrong with classic. Little salt, little pepper, you're done. But we're gonna elevate it. We're gonna take it a few steps further. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I have two pieces of toast. One is for apple butter toast and one's for an avocado toast. Get these baddies in the toaster. Now that those are in the toaster, avocado, half of an avocado if you're gonna do one slice of toast. Honestly, it just kind of depends on the size of your bread. Anyways, avocado, slice it up, and then you're just gonna take a fork, mash it up, whatever you like to mash it up with, just do that. So basically, you're just gonna mash it to your desired consistency. If you like it more chunky, if you like it more smooth, I kind of like a little bit in between. So, I mean, this is what mine looks like. Okay, so we have the base of the toast down, and then here's where it kind of gets exciting, is I'm gonna put some radish slices on it. So like that is good, yeah. Okay, now we can start assembling. Toast is done. Okay, so we're gonna start with the apple butter toast. So the avocado toast is like the grand finale, kind of. But just a little bit of butter onto the apple butter. Taking some local apple butter, as you can see, and that's just gonna go all over it. Okay, grand finale. So you're gonna take your mashed up avocado, put it onto the toast. Okay, like I said, you could stop here, a little salt, a little pepper, you're good to go. But we're gonna elevate it, so I like to do a little bit of smoked paprika, just sprinkle it on the top. Paprika is on, and then you're just gonna add your radishes. Here's my favorite part, a few sprigs of dill. After the finishing touch, I really like flaky salt, but we don't have any of that at my house. So just a little bit of regular salt on both. And voila, that's the finished product. Okay, so while I'm eating breakfast, I sit down and take a look at my Notion, which I'm absolutely obsessed with because it organizes my entire life. If you know me, you know that at one point I would write everything down on sticky notes and just stick them like all over my room, and I was just a flat out mess. But now I'm organized, which is good for me. But yeah, I don't have as much going on today as I thought because I was originally supposed to end up having a meeting for my internship at noon, but that got moved to tomorrow morning. So now I have time to go outside and tan and relax, which will be so good. And then I've got class at like 1:15. I'm taking summer credits because I just want to get some stuff out of the way, and then I'm gonna go to work and make some phone calls for a bit, and then I've got homework and more internship work. which I love my internship. I think it's so cool. Ugh, I'll geek out over it. But yeah, not too bad actually. My toast is delicious also. You should make it. Okay, let's go tan. Sweet. Just got done tanning and now I gotta take a body shower and hop on my class. So let's do it. I'm all body showered, all fresh and clean. It was really nice outside, except for the amount of pollen. My allergies are killing me now, and I feel like my face might explode. Obviously, that's like very dramatic, but like it gets the point across. And now I'm just waiting for my class to start. It starts at 1:15, so how much time do I have? Like 10 minutes. It's on Zoom, which I guess is like nice for the summer, but I do really want in-person classes to start again, which I'm excited for in the fall. But yeah, so after my class is done, I'm gonna head over to work.
Members is having support and having support. Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm headed to work right now and I work for my dad. I just make phone calls and do some general things like that. And I only go in and work for 2 hours, 3 days of the week. So pretty sweet gig, pretty chill, pretty relaxed. All right, I'm back from work. Got some fun packages here. This is obviously not sponsored, but some Fun Boy floats for the summertime. This one, and then this like fun little green leafy one, and then this bad boy. It's a nice little mesh float. Pretty stoked about those, honestly. I'm also gonna crank out some homework and then I'm gonna go mini golfing. So for dinner, I ate a buffalo bowl. And now, as I said earlier, I was gonna go to mini golf. So that's where I'm going currently. All right, guys, so putt-putt was super fun. I also went to go get ice cream after that, which was pretty damn good. And when I got home, I took a shower, washed my hair, all that good stuff. And then I did some skincare and started getting ready for bed. So, of course, you know, brushed my teeth, like I said, good hygiene. And after I did that, I just plopped myself right into bed. I usually watch Friends or YouTube for a little bit, just to kind of like wind down. And yeah, that is pretty much it for a day in my life. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Good night. Bye.